Hey guys, Michael Smith here, the Beach Banger. And today is August 30th, 2022. Today is National Beach Day. I'm sitting on Cape San, West Florida, just a few miles from my house. It's a beautiful day to be on the beach. I got my cooler, got my umbrella over here. I got my boogie board that I love to use. Got me a nice land shark towel. And I don't know if you live near a beach or not. People who live near the beach, like myself, we don't actually celebrate National Beach Day. But being a pyro and on the beach, I'm going to celebrate it. We can celebrate National Beach Day every day. Every day in Florida is beach days, especially through the months of May and October. Those are good beach days. And right now, we're getting to the end of the beach season, but we still got a couple months left. Because National Beach Day is such a festival occasion for me, we're going to celebrate it by shooting off not one, but 2 boxes of festival balls. I don't know who makes these things, but each box contains 6 shots. Let's break it down. What we got here? The waves coming in. We got a pack here. Again, there's no name or brand on any of this stuff here, so I don't know who makes them. But you got these little ball shells. There's about 6 of them. And it comes in this cardboard tube with plastic base. There's 6 ball shells here. I got 6 more in here. I'm gonna shoot them off. So we have a total of 12 festival ball shells. We're going to use the 2 tubes that go with it, plus 3 or 4 others. They will have 6 tubes. We're going to shoot off 6 of them one at a time, and then we're going to shoot off 6 of them at fairly the same time. Alright, it's really loud out here because of the waves. I got salt in my eyes, I'm sweating, but I want to say that I really like the packaging on this 6 ball shell kit. I don't know who makes it, but I like the colors to it. The balls look pretty cheap themselves. There's no give in them. That's a good sign. And the tube looks pretty good too. Like I said, I like the colors. Now, I've said just about enough about fireworks for today. That water sure looks inviting. I'm fixing to get in that water and cool off.
Twenty minutes later.
Tonight, when the sun goes down over Cape Sandblast, we're going to celebrate National Beach Day with 12 festival ball shells. I'm looking forward to it. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day at the beach. If you're not at the beach, then here's a suggestion. Go to your backyard, dig a hole, put some water in it, sprinkle some sand around, alright? Pitch down an umbrella and call it a day, okay? Grab a cocktail too. As you can see, the moon is up and it's glaring on the water. The tide's out, so you can walk out a good little ways. But it's got a nice little flat here where the small waves are coming up. And it's a little cloudy. You can't really see the stars real well at night. Because it's been real rainy over the last few weeks. Anyways, we're about to get this little party started. Alright, here goes festival balls. One at a time. Alright, I'm having some technical difficulties with my cameras and my cards. Of course, that's not unusual, so I'm not gonna be able to get that close-up shot with the as they go off. I have to get this distance shot. Go ahead. That's festival ball number 2. Alright, that was number 3. Here goes number 4. Festival ball number 5. And here goes festival ball number 6. Alright guys, that was the first 6 of the festival balls, and now we're going to attempt to shoot off multiple festival ball shells at the same time. Alright, using my custom colored tubes that I made based on the original packaging. So let's go ahead and knock this out. Those ball shells didn't go up very far, and they didn't have real big brakes. But what do you expect? You paid $10 for a box of ball shells. But they're pretty nice. I'm always good for some ball shells. I don't care how cheap they are. All right, so we got one festival ball left. That was the last festival ball. All right, in celebration of National Beach Day, we just shut off 12 festival balls from some unknown company with some Chinese lettering on their tubes. Anyways, we shut off 6 one at a time, and then went back and shut off all 6 at one time. And I have to review the camera. I don't know how well that went. I know that as I got done lighting them and was trying to run back to the camera to film it, it started going off, and so I haven't reviewed the camera yet to see how that turned out. But I don't know if I showed y'all or not, but let me show you the tubes that I used to shoot off those festival balls with. You know, I used the 2 original tubes, but then I used 3 other tubes that I kind of custom made. Well, I didn't custom make them. I wrapped them with my own colors, you know, to make them kind of match these right here. And here's the original tubes that come with the kit. You know, nice neon colors, pastel colors, with some Chinese lettering. Maybe if you can read Chinese, you could tell me what that says. And here's the tubes that I made. I didn't make them. I just took some colored paper and covered over the tube. I think this was a Mississippi Gambler tube. But I got a blue one here. I made a like a neon sunburst orange color. And then I got like a purple one here. There's the tube. You can see some of the wear and tear on that one. Anyways, I've used these cardboard tubes, especially this one, probably about 3/4 times too many. It's probably going to blow up on me next when I use it. Oh well, I'll keep trying until it does. Anyways, the festival balls, you know, kind of performed as expected. I mean, nothing spectacular, but hey, I'll take whatever I can get, man. You know, I like festival balls and all kind of ball shells. So I hope you enjoyed your day on the beach. I enjoyed my day on the beach. All right, until next time, keep banging.